Yeah, hello. My name is Hendrik Voss. I'm the product manager for the electronic control system. And the electronic control system includes all the accessories that are electronic, also the wireless accessories like our hand control units, motor controllers, and so on. So at this NAB we introduce 3 new motor controllers. The first one is the Universal Motor Controller UMC4. It's a 3-axis motor controller that can fit on any camera, and it gives you functions that were previously only available with Alexa Plus or Studio cameras and the integrated motor controllers. So the most important new feature with the UMC4 is that it includes the ARRI ADS lens data archive, and that means that this device can generate lens data, and this lens data can then be very helpful on set and in post-production. The lens data can be shown on the wireless compact hand unit, so it provides the focus puller with information of depth of field and how its lens is set. But it's also the basis for some functions like focus mapping to pre-marked focus rings or focus tracking. And focus tracking is if you have a distance measuring device like the ultrasonic distance measure UDM1 or a Cinetape. You can press a button on your hand unit and the focus motor will drive to the measured value of that distance measurer. So it's like a focus assist, which can be very helpful in some situations. The UMC4 has many interfaces. It has many serial interfaces that can connect to peripheral equipment, but it also has a Ethernet interface that allows the device to integrate with standard IT equipment. So you'll be able to set up your UMC4 through a laptop or through a smartphone. You'll also be able to capture the lens data that the motor controller generates onto SD card together with timecode, and then access these files that are on the SD card through a Wi-Fi access point, for example. Now, if there's a VFX supervisor on set or a DIT and he is capturing the lens data and needs it, he doesn't have to access the UMC4 to get it. He can just access through Wi-Fi connection and get those files. Another interesting feature about the UMC4 that it has interfaces that connect directly to focus and zoom demands from Fujinon and Canon. So if you have a broadcast style setup with a cine lens and you have your focus and zoom demands on your pedestal tripod, you can connect those directly to the UMC4 and drive the motors that are connected to it. Now the 2 other new motor controllers are the mini motor controllers. They look like this. Actually, I think I have one in my pocket. They're really very mini. So one of them, the left one there, that is a SMC1, the single motor controller. It drives one single lens motor. So that is really for setups where size and weight matter. For example, you might have a Steadicam setup, you want it really slim and lightweight. You use a single motor controller and our single axis hand unit, and you're done. The second one is the ENG motor controller, EMC1. It connects directly to ENG type lenses like the Fujinon Cabrio lenses. So if you have a Fujinon Cabrio lens, you can connect this lens directly to the connector here on the device and then drive the 3 motors that are already integrated with the lens with a hand unit like the WCO4. So this is really a very, very slim and lightweight setup that can be very useful if you don't want to have big accessories on your camera. All those motor controllers will be available from June 2014 onwards, and we are already taking orders for them. Another news that we have expanded our service structure. We have changed our service structure. So we had already a set service structure for our cameras, but up to now the service of our electronic accessories was mainly made in Vienna, in Austria. We have changed that now. We have made trainings in our worldwide subsidiaries, and now all our worldwide service partners and sales subsidiaries, service subsidiaries are able to service those electronic accessories, providing a 24 hours, 5 days a week service for those devices.